Hi friends, today we will discuss about string indexing. So what is string indexing? When we give a string to a compiler or an interpreter, then each of the variables or each of the character in that particular string are termed as or stored in some numeric value in what we call in our memory. So each memory slot where the character is present is given a numeric value. Okay, so that is called string indexing. Suppose I'm just writing something like a variable named language, and which will be equal to a string called Python as an example. Okay, so now I want to see for each of the character like Python what will be the index for the same. Okay, so it will come, if I want a string to be known, then it will be like positions will be given as the index number. So how it will be? Suppose I have the elements P, Y, T, H, O and N. So what will be the index for P? It will be 0th value. Then what will be the Y? Y, it will be 1. For T, it will be 2. For H, it will be 3. For O, it will be 4. And for N, it will be 5. So if I have to check it whether on what value, what variable or what character is present, then I will simply print language, that is the variable name, and in that I'll put a square bracket. Remember, always remember, for indexing we need a square bracket. And suppose I'm writing 0. I want to know what is on the 0th position. Then I will execute it and see. You find P. P is at the 0th position where we can see it over here. Suppose I want to see what is on the 4th position. Let's execute it. See, O is at the 4th position, and let me see what is on the 6th position. And I found an error. The string index is out of range. Okay, so the index is till 5, not 6. So that's why I got an error saying string index is out of range. So if I give a 5 over here and execute it, you will find n in over here. Okay, so this is the positive numbers. We found the string indexing. Suppose I want to find with the negative numbers, then how it will be? Then suppose n, it will start from the reverse order. The first one will be starting from -1, O will be -2, H will be -3, T will be -4, Y will be -5, and P will be -6. So these are the negative indexes. Now let's see. Suppose I give -1. What will be the value? The value will be n, right? And if I give -4, the value will be, let's see, T, right? Positive 2 and negative -4. Okay, now let me check for -6. The value here comes is P, and suppose I check for -7, then again I'll get a string index out of range. So for positives, as the Python is containing 6 values, 6 characters, in the positive part it will start from 0 to 5, and in the negative it will be starting from the reverse order, -1 to -6. You have to take care of these things. I hope you understood this. Okay, so for today that's it. Let's meet in the next video. But if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. Okay then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.